Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Friends, I know that I haven't uploaded any videos since quite a few days, but the topic which I have choose for today's video is really fabulous. It's a tutorial video, but not a normal tutorial. It's a tutorial regarding a 3 by 3, not a Rubik's Cube, but a mirror cube. A 3 by 3 mirror cube. Friends, this is the first part of our tutorial in which we'll be gonna learn how to solve the first layer and the first side of the mirror cube. Friends, patience. Solving this puzzle will require a lot of patience. It's really challenging and it is a lot more difficult than any other normal puzzle. It is difficult because instead of colors, we need to judge its pieces through its shape and size. It is gonna require your 100% concentration. Guys, please note it carefully. Before you move on to this puzzle, you must know how to solve a basic 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. If not, I highly recommend you to first learn a basic 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube and then move on to this mirror puzzle. Because if you don't know how to solve this puzzle and you directly move on to this, it's gonna be really difficult for you. And friends, one more suggestion I would like to give it to you, that before you scramble this puzzle, take some photographs of this puzzle in its solved state so that it may help you in solving. So without any further ado, even I'm really excited to solve it. And friends, don't worry, when you scramble this puzzle, it will take a horrible shape. It will seem really kind of dangerous and you'll find that, oh, how will I solve this puzzle? Even I felt like that. But no problem. There are numerous ways to solve this puzzle, but according to me, I have brought the easiest way for you. And don't worry. Let's scramble this puzzle. Take the name of God, scramble this puzzle, and then I'll describe you the tutorial for the first layer. So guys, as you can see, I have scrambled both these puzzles. I have even scrambled this so that I can make a comparative solution. I can compare this situation with this. And as you can see, it has really taken a horrible shape. Don't worry, don't judge a book by its cover. It may seem horrible, but it's easy if you learn with me and if you understand, if you correctly interpret what I say. So, our first approach to solve this puzzle will be building a cross. Just as a 3 by 3 cube, you need to build a cross. And for beginners, in the 3 by 3 basic Rubik's Cube, we started with the white side. And how did we know that which side is white in a Rubik's Cube basic? Of course, by the help of the centerpiece. If it's a white centerpiece, if it's a white single colored piece, it means this is the white side. But how will we know in this case? It has no colors. The answer is same, just look for the centers. But which center is white? The answer is the center which projects out the most. It means which is the longest is the white center. So, हमें ऐसा centerpiece चुनना है जो सबसे बड़ा हो. As you can see, this centerpiece is quite short. Even this is not perfect. It's not too large. Even this is not large. This is not large. This can be of considerable size. See, this is very large. Do we have got any more centerpieces? Yeah, this. I guess, okay. These three centerpieces are the largest among all. By centerpiece, I mean the single-sided pieces, which are in the center. And they don't change their position, even how much we rotate. See, center remains in the center. See, this center is long. It's long. This is also long, but it's quite short. We can see here the contenders are this and this. One among these will be the longest. We can't judge by simply looking because it's really tricky. So what you'll be needing to do in this case is take any edge piece by simply rotating either the right slot or the left slot. I rotate the right slot. See, this edge piece is of equal. Take any edge piece and compare it to this centerpiece and this. Just see what I do. See, by simply rotating this edge piece is of equal size of the centerpiece. But when we bring it to this centerpiece, it's smaller, isn't it? See, it's equal with this centerpiece, but it's smaller with this centerpiece. So it means that this centerpiece is the longest. क्योंकि ये तो यहाँ से मैच कर रहा है. This centerpiece is of equal size. But now, this centerpiece is even larger than this. In short, this centerpiece is the size of this edge piece and this centerpiece is a bit larger. I hope you can see. It's larger. Friends, I would like to say one more thing. In order to get one whole side matched, I mean a whole side which match correctly with the centerpiece. It means they need to be flushed. The sizes must match. They must be one smooth size. See, this edge piece is going down, this is larger, this is small. Alright, so now what we need to do is insert the correct edge pieces of the same side. Imagine an edge piece which should flush with this centerpiece. That means that edge piece should be the same size of this centerpiece so that they can be in one line. So some edge pieces, correct edge pieces, you can get by simply rotating the right, left slots. So hold this centerpiece because this is the largest. It means this is the side through which we need to begin. And simply rotate the right and left legs to see if you can get any edge piece. No, this is small. Let's rotate the left. What we are trying is see. Even in a Rubik's Cube, by simply rotating the left and the right, we can get few edge pieces, but not all. That's what I'm going to try here. No, actually, I've scrambled the cube in a nice way. Yeah, we got one edge piece, correct. And how did we know? See, this edge piece, dual color, dual stickers. See, it's matching. This edge piece is neither short, neither longer than this centerpiece. It means it is the correct. But how do we know that the other edge pieces, where are they? Just judge. Just look at the gaps. इस गैप को देख के मेरे को लगता है that a long edge piece should fit. Okay, let's see this gap. Through this gap, I can get an idea, just wild guess, that out here, the edge piece which will be inserted out here should be long and quite thick. So let's search for a long and a thick edge piece. Yeah, here it is. The dual stickers are there and it's quite long and thick. So let's try this to get inserted out here. It's just a case similar to kind of this, isn't it? See, you have got one edge piece solved, but the other, it's out here. I guess this edge piece is the perfect size of this and it needs to come out here, just like this. So what we did out here, just rotate it 90 degrees and then up. So that's what we do here. Half and up. Yes, it has matched. See? Neither longer nor shorter. Perfectly matching with the size of the centerpiece. See, this is how you need to make a guess. Now by seeing out here, the edge piece this can be the edge piece. But instead of being horizontal, it needs to be vertical. It's horizontal, it needs to be vertical. And I guess this edge piece can fit out here. Let's see. See, what you need to do is turn this edge piece from its horizontal position to its vertical position. See, in the horizontal way, it's not matching. But in the vertical, if it's in the vertical position, it will be quite long and it may match with the center. So what we need to do, same as before. Turn it either 90 degree. See, and then up. It's matching. Congratulations. But in this process, this has been removed. So if you know how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, you know what to do. Find an empty space in the upper limb and then do it. Yeah, friends, we have got 3 correctly positioned edge pieces. Now, we need to look out for this edge piece, the last. And according to me, even this edge piece, which should be inserted out here, should be quite long and thick. As you can see, the gap is pretty much long. So, I guess find any suitable edge piece which may fit out here. Let's see, I think this edge piece might fit. So, bring it out here and then up. No, this edge piece is falling short, but it might fit in its vertical position. Let's see. So we turn it 90 degrees. We find and create an empty space out here. Then up. Whoa, congratulations! See, all 4 edge pieces are matching with the center. Neither of them are either longer or shorter. They are perfectly matched with the size of the centerpiece, and a perfect cross has been formed. Okay, but the position of these edge pieces are not matching with their other centers. I'll show you. See, I have built the cross here, the white cross, which we have built out here. This is the cross and this is the cross. But what's happening in this case is that this cross, see, edge pieces are dual colored. The first color are matching with their respective centers, but the other colors are not matching with the centers. See, refer to this edge piece. The first color is white and is matching with the white center, but the red is not matching, and the similar case is here. See, these all pieces are flushed with the first centerpiece, but the other colors, the other sides are not flushed with the centerpiece. See, it's way too larger than this centerpiece. See, this one has perfectly matched, but not this one. It's quite short, and even this one. Yeah. So sometimes you may get neither 4 of your edge pieces matched. So there are 2 ways which I'll explain to perfectly orient the edge pieces. The one side's interrupted correctly. The first sides are matching, but the other sides aren't matching. So there are 2 ways. The first way, आपको simply घुमाना है. Any 2 of the edge pieces are sure to get matched. See, in this case, this edge piece is matching and this edge piece is matching. Okay? But these 2 aren't matching. Simply keep rotating any 2 of the edge pieces. I guarantee it's 100% sure that they will match, but the rest 2 won't match. But sometimes while rotating, all 4 of them will match. It's luck. So what to do? These 2 are matched from both the sides. See, this edge piece, its first side is matched with this centerpiece and its second side is matched with this centerpiece, and the same is the case with this edge piece. But these 2 edge pieces are wrongly oriented. So we don't need to disturb the correctly oriented edge pieces. So what you need to do is take this edge piece which is wrongly oriented, 180 degree rotated 2 times, 1, 2. See, if these 2 are matched and these 2 aren't matched, it is certain that this will go here and this edge piece will come here. Okay, because these 2 are already matching and we are left with these 2. So it means it is clear that this edge piece will go here and this edge piece will come here, so that they can match with the center pieces. So we rotate it vertically down. It needs to come here. So we rotate. Okay, fine. The mirror cube has got stuck. Alright. So now we do it and then up. Yeah, it's matching with both the center pieces, and this wrongly edge piece has come down. We get it to the place of this edge piece and then up. Wait, don't forcefully move the mirror cube when it gets stuck. It might break off. Yeah, friends, our cross we had solved earlier, but now it has been oriented from all 4 sides. This matching with this, this, matching. Alright, this way, for beginners it might seem harder, some may not have been understood it, so I'll explain you the second way. Guys, I have again scrambled these two edge pieces so that I can explain you the second case. Again, we need to match any two edge pieces while the rest of the two edge pieces will stay unmatched. So what you need to do is keep this cross at the bottom and transfer all of these four edge pieces to the top, to its opposite layer. We transfer this, we transfer this, we transfer this edge piece, and we transfer this edge piece. Yeah, and after doing this, make sure to match. See, forget the upper sticker of these four edge pieces. What you need to pay attention is the sticker which places you front. Take any edge piece. I take this edge piece out of these four. All of these four edge pieces belong to this, but we need to orient them correctly. So match the front sticker to their center. See, this is a bit larger than this center. Yeah, this is matching. See, needle long and then vertically down. See, this has been correctly placed, matching with this and this. Same, the front sticker, match it with its center. See, it's quite back. Not matching yet. There is a bit gap. Let's hope. Yeah, it has matching with this. Either towards right or left, 180 degree, 2 times down. This has already matched the front sticker with the center, down, and finally this edge piece, we match it with its center, matched, and vertically down. See friends, this was the second way to correctly orient all the four edge pieces. And now our next approach will be to correctly insert the corner pieces. Friends, we are nearly close to complete our first layer. See, congratulations if you have correctly positioned your cross. So now I'll explain you how to insert the corner pieces, the tricolored pieces. Same, look at the gaps and guess the size of the corner pieces. See, as you can see, this gap, wait a minute. See, this gap, see, out here a corner piece will fit, but this gap is very large, indicating that a large corner piece will fit out here. So what we need to do is investigate for a large corner piece. See, this is a large corner piece and it may fit here. So what you need to do is keep the cross which has been solved in the bottom layer and hold the cube in this way. See, the corner piece which you find, जिसमें आपको लगता है कोई possibility है कि यहाँ पे fit होगा, उसको अपने front right में रखें, top layer में. In the top layer, keep it in the front right. See, I think that this piece has some probability of fitting out here, and therefore I keep it in the top layer, and that too in my right slot of the cube. So now, investigate any two ways by which this corner piece may fit here. See, the first way is by performing an R move. See, just perform an R prime move, that is R going down. If it doesn't matches in this way, we need to do the other way. See, in this manner, it's neither matching with this corner, it's matching with this corner, but it's not matching with these two corners. So by R prime move, we can get it that it's not fit for her. Then perform the another move by keeping it in the same position, and that move is F. See friends, it's still not matching with all three centerpieces. It should flush with all three centerpieces. See, it's flushing with this centerpiece, but not these two. So friends, what we can get an idea about this corner piece is that it's not fit for this slot. So, but this slot is sure for a large corner piece, and except this is another large corner piece which might fit here. क्योंकि पूरे पजल में मेरे को यही दो बड़े कॉर्नर पीस लग रहे हैं और इनमें से एक को तो यहाँ फिट होना ही है. अगर ये नहीं हुआ तो ये होगा. So bring it out in the top layer. is really easy. Keep it in the front right of the upper side. Then perform R prime. See, by use through F, it's not flushing with any of the three. But with R prime move, it's flushing with all three. It means that this will fit here. Okay? Then, if it's R prime, if it goes with R prime, what you need to do is rotate it through this way. And if it fits with F, you need to rotate this. Alright? It's simple as just the way you insert a corner piece in the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Okay? But in that, you would see the colors and rotate in the side of these colors. So, हम देखेंगे कि इसको फ्रंट राइट में रखा और ये आर प्राइम मूव से इंसर्ट हो रहा है, तो हम इसको इस तरफ रोटेट करेंगे. अगर ये एफ मूव से होता तो हम इसको इस तरफ रोटेट करते और ऑपोजिट साइड को हम ऊपर करते हैं, जैसे आप सब जानते हैं. तो जैसे कि ये आर प्राइम मूव से फिट हो रहा है, सो वी मेक दिस यू opposite side up, back, and insert it, that too correctly. And see, this is another space indicating that a thick corner piece will get inserted in. So in the whole cube there is only one such large corner piece, and I'm sure that it will get fit here. But in which way? Keep it in the front right. See, by R move it is not fitting. By F move, it's even not fitting with the F move. Then it means that this is a situation in which the white side is facing upwards. As you all know, the correct side for a corner piece white should be either here or here. But in some cases, white face upwards, and that's a special case, and that's what's out here. How did I know? Just perform a U move and 2 times F prime. See, it's fitting in this manner. It's fitting in this manner. So, and that's what makes me sure that this is a special case. So what we did for this special case, we'll check that if it's in the right slot or left slot. If it's in the right slot, right up, out here towards the right U, we'll bring it back, and now we'll check in what way it will fit. In right it's not, in F it is fitting. So if it would fit in R prime, we'll turn U towards out here, but it's fitting in the F way, so we'll turn the upper side towards here, opposite side up, back, and insert it. Alright, so now let's insert the corner piece of this. It indicates a long and a thin, a long and thin. See the gap? See the gap? It indicates that a long and a thin corner piece will fit here. And in the whole cube, there are numerous thin corner pieces but not long. But this is my choice. This can. So let's take it up to the upper layer. Yeah, and now let's keep it in the front right and see in which way it fits. Not by R prime and neither by F move. But as I said, it might be a special case. So we perform a U and 2 times F prime. Yeah, it's fitting. It means that this is the special case in which white usually face upwards. And you can all see, out of these 3 stickers, the shortest sticker will be white. This is a really good trick. See, refer to all 3 silver stickers of this corner piece. This is really long, this is really long, and this is really short, indicating this is white piece. And this is a special case in which white is facing up, and what we did to counter it, right up, U prime, R down. See this corner piece. Now let's see, it fits not in the R prime way, but in the F way. So for F, we make a U prime move, L up, back, and down. Inserted. Now one more corner piece to go. Let's see if this can fit out here. Wow, brilliant. It is fitting. So see, let's hold it in the right way. Top layer, right slot, it's not fitting. Then let's keep it in the left side. Yes, it is fitting. Sorry. It is flushing with all 3 centers. So it means it will go this way. And yes, congratulations friends. You have solved the first side of the mirror cube and the first layer successfully if you were going with me. And as you can see any corner piece, the shortest sticker is the white side. So friends, stay tuned for the second part in which we learn the second layer and for the third part in which we learn the third layer. Congratulations. I hope you really learned how to do it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Goodbye.